I am not a man of pink, but my daughter loves pink. So, we are going to review a pink keyboard, the glorious GMMK2. I'm actually going to build her computer here on the channel. Just not yet. We're starting with the keyboard. In another video, which I will show you, let's go to let's get the drop down camera going for this part. We're down on our review camera here. Hope you guys like this view. Hope you guys like this view here. This drop down camera, it is very nice. I love it. This overhead camera, but we're going to try to review this keyboard. We're actually not going to plug it up and use it. I still have mine plugged up, but I just want you guys to listen to it. Then I want you guys to listen to these, and I'm going to figure out how to put in these to make this much better. I've never done this before, so this is the first time. I'm going to do this in another video, but I'm going to want to showcase this first because I don't think I brought my puller for the keyboard. I want this keyboard to last her forever if I can. So that's why I went with a mechanical keyboard. You see the price tag, and it wasn't cheap. We got this little flathead bit here. Check that out. We're going to open this up. So I tested this over at, like if you hear this keyboard, check this keyboard out. See how clicky it sounds? So this one, the pink comes with, what are these called? Switches. These are Prelude Fox Linear mechanical switches. I actually hate the sounds of this, but it's actually cheaper to get this keyboard with the bass and the pink already rocking and ready to go. Oh, this is a nice little box opening, isn't it? Oh, modular mechanical keyboard. Oh, she is going to love this. My daughter is actually going to love this. So I'm building her a nice gaming computer. She's still young. She's going to be turning 6, but I figured I'd go ahead and get a head start. She likes Hello Kitty, and we're going to build her a Hello Kitty computer, and we're going to show you guys how to build a gaming computer in 2024. Look at this. This keyboard's actually beautiful for a pink keyboard. I am not a pink fan, guys. I am not a pink fan, but that is a beautiful looking keyboard. See, you can't even hear this. Like, I'm gonna get this next to the. Can't even hear it. Yeah, that is a tiny keyboard. That'd be perfect for her. Her learn keyboard on. It's not got the print screen keys and stuff like that. It's kind of disappointing. I thought it was one of the bigger ones. But there is that. I don't know what in the world that is. That's something. Did we get a glorious sticker? Didn't get a glorious sticker? Come on, we got the silica gel. Oh, we did get the puller. All right. Well, maybe we will install those in this video. It did come with the puller. So if the camera dies while I'm doing this, the battery might run out. I don't have it plugged up or a way to get power to it up here. It's a little far away. So I don't know. I've never changed keys on a keyboard. Like I said, let me get my mic over here. You see, like it's nice, but no feedback. Check out the 8-bit Duo here. Let's get it over here. Check this out. Oh, that sounds so much better. It feels better. That's the way a keyboard should feel. If you guys don't think so, well, you're just wrong. Anyways, never put in these. I tested these switches and they feel phenomenal. What a great feeling key switch, actually. I've never changed these out. I don't even know if it's easy to do. I have no idea. These are the glorious Raptors. They're green, but they sound great. I think we should be able to hear them. What is all this stuff here? Hey, look, we got a sticker. We actually got a sticker. There you go. Here's your registration. Wow. All right. So these are the key switches. I don't know how easy these are to change, but I guarantee we can hear these. See how much better they'll sound? Oh, yeah. That's some feedback. I like that. That's perfect. So, I really don't know how easy these are to change out. They look like they're easy. They look like they're easy. I'm going to try to change one out here. Let's see. Let's start with the escape key. I wish that was pink. I really don't know how easy these are to change out. Do you have to take them out? See, those don't feed back at all. They're just straight. Those are reds. They're normal reds. You see that? Reds. I'm not a fan of reds. I tried reds once, and I just always felt like I was mistyping all the time. I have never took these out. Well, you don't use that to take it out, do you? All right. I'm probably going to have to research how to take those out because I don't have a clue. Do you have to take the whole keyboard apart? I wouldn't think so, but I don't know. They don't look like they just pop out. That might be another job for another video, guys, because that... I mean, they look like they just plop in there. I'm not sure how you look. Oh, yeah, that's so much better than reds. So much better than reds. Ugh. Oh, it just does kind of pop loose. I don't know how easy that is. You have to have something else that grabs it. Oh, you can get under it. All right, let's see. Yeah. I thought that was going to be much easier, but that don't look like it's coming out easy. I don't want to break it. I don't want to break it. I don't know a way easier to get it out of there. I don't know if you have to take these out or not. I really don't. So, let's cut this video right here. And, alright, so unfortunately, I do not have... So that good thing that come with it. So it did come with the pink one instead of that thing because she's going to want it all pink. Anyways, this did not come with the key switcher tool to take it out. Unfortunately, it only came with the key switch. There's just a little like a metal tool you do it. And in the next video, I will do that. But I hate reds. I don't know how anybody likes them. I guess they like them for gaming. Just, this is so much better. I like the tactile feedback. But in another video, hopefully this week, so look for it. Hopefully this week we'll do a whole video of replacing these key switches because I think I do have the tool, but I don't have it with me currently. I thought I did, but yeah, we will replace these key switches and we'll really give this keyboard a try. I wish it was a little bigger, like comparably to... Compared to my 8-bit Duo one, it's much smaller. So that's a little unfortunate, but you know, she is smaller, going to be smaller than me. But yeah, this is almost too tiny. I wish I would have got a bigger keyboard because I thought this guy was tiny. So, anyways, this keyboard should last her a long time though because it is quality. I will say that everything on it is quality. It's heavy. It's way heavier than. Yeah, it's way heavier than my wireless one. So I guess this is probably wireless too. It does have the USB-C. I don't know if it's wireless or not. I don't know. It never did say. Is it wireless? Manning, prelude, Windows, blah, blah, blah. I don't see anything on it. It says that. So anyways, let's box this guy back up, and yeah, we'll see you guys in another video here soon about replacing these key switches. Like I said, we're going to take this to Raptors and let you guys listen to that. It's going to be a way better keyboard if you ask me. Just way better. Just I don't know how anybody likes reds. In the comment section, I know I'm not trying to be the keyboard king. I've just got a lot of keyboard stuff I haven't done yet. So here on techcaller.com, if you guys like this content, let me know why in the world people like reds. I've always heard it's for gaming because you don't need that fast input. You don't need the tactile feedback, but I feel like I'm missing keystrokes all the time whenever I'm using reds. I tried reds and I would double tap all the time because I always think I didn't actually hit the key. It's so loose. Yeah, we will be returning to this keyboard, and we will be upgrading it to Raptors. What a great looking keyboard. It is solid. I wish it was a little bigger though. 65%, a little too small for my likings, but I think she will like it just fine just because it's pink. So there's that. It should last her quite a long time, and kids these days, they don't need all the bells and whistles anyway. They're barely using keyboard or computers as it is. It's all touch pads and stuff like that. So let me know what you guys think. What do you think about the Raptors? I think they're going to be great. Let me know if there's something I should do to prepare to replace the key switches. Make it easier on me. I've never done it. It doesn't look that hard from looking at it, but we will be changing out the key switches in. I don't know if that's going to fit back in the bag. We'll be changing the key switches out in this glorious keyboard. I've never used a glorious keyboard before. This is going to be the first one, and I'm hoping this will last a very long time. It's been a job just to get this going. So yeah, and let you know what you guys think. We will be doing a key switching in the next video. If you like this kind of content, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Follow me over on Twitter at the Smango. I'll be doing giveaways. I'll give away a lot of cards, and I'll probably give away some tech here shortly. So be sure to follow me over there. Yeah, and we'll see you guys in the next one. techcaller.com.